Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
When your dog refuses to come inside.
Tequila, are you mad?
Rick, that's a bone right there. Did you know that? Did you mean to do that?
Where are you two? You're gonna go in timeout if you keep it up. Do you understand me?
Oh my god.
Kermit, you are not a part of the Avengers. Get off the screen.
That's literally a phone.
So this is what we do when we come to Target. And we're supposed to be working, but we're not working. And we're not working.
Glad you're watching, bud. You just said thank you. You're welcome. Join the
Are you comfy?
Yeah, there it is. That's the hat. There it is. He texted me.
Oh. А ты кушать из чего потом будешь? Who are you? Who is this dog?
Found a stick on the ground and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it.
Yeah.
At this point, we just need to call that his.
Ow! Ow! Stella, come on. Come downstairs. You gotta go to potty before I go to work. Come on. Stella, I gotta go. Come on. Whisper. Good job, Whisper. Bring it in the house. Oh, thank you. Bring it in the house.
Wanna go to the dog park?
Not fucking around. Nadia, she's trying to bite me. Stop trying to get it on video. Stop.
他们打你不打了。什么东西？
Thank you. Come on, buddy.
She's not.
The scope of what routine's coming here. Don't seem to want to put it in try and get down the slides, but I think this one will be different.
Debbie. Debbie.
Paco! Ce faci acolo?
You trying to get up here? You got this. Come on.
Shit, get up!
Looking for trouble? You came to the right place. If you're looking
This little dog is obsessed with my basement, and I'm gonna watch. Nobody's ever been able to watch this. You will not believe your eyes. Ready?
Hi, Roland. Hi, Roland. Hi, Rolly. Do you want a hug? Boy, buddy.
Okay, he's throwing a tantrum. He wants his water toy. You can't have it. You'll mess it up.
Jorge, get off the table. Oh my God, Daisy.
Выключи свет. Давай, иди сюда. Выключи. Тихо. Выключи. Молодец.
Learning to speak my dog's line. You look very proud. You do it.
Oh God. You okay?
What's that? Oh, it's okay. Look at the painting. Oh, it's okay.
Oh my God.
Not today. Oh, it's so funny.
You're not giving up, huh? He says it's a must buy.
I'm gonna get you, baby. Fine. Skinny jeans. Hey, skinny jeans. What are you looking at?
Don't be surprised when I'm here, because I live here and I pay for this house and I pay for you to live here. So don't bark at me or growl at me, okay?
I'm gonna help him, help him, help him. No, don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch.
Here, brush your teeth. No, you eat it. Up.
Say, I love you. Good.
Dang. You asshole. You just peed in their water.
Look at Suzanne.
Titan, are you okay?
All right.
Seriously?
And so you ready to spread some love through our words?
I bet your parents love that you guys do that. I bet they love that. They're so good, oh boys.
Someone figured out we're going on vacation without her. Stelly, what's happening? You gotta get out of there. We're gonna go see Nana. You're gonna have a good time there. I'm sorry, but you can't come on vacation with us. You gotta get out. Come on. Oh, goodness.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go one more time. You wanna go? You wanna go?
Hello, baby. Oh!
Nigga, time out. I told your ass. Didn't I tell you? I'm gonna stuff you in the fucking couch. Did I tell you I was gonna do that to you if you keep fucking up? You like the, and you just sit here smiling and shit.
And that makes me question getting married.
So good.
Me tiró la mordida.
I don't think she likes it. Are you okay, Zoe?
Look at her. She's on the...
Sweetheart, she cannot throw the ball yet.
Enough.
Get the bird! Get the bird! Go get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Oh! Come here, Itzy! Come!
What do you got? A banana? Let me see. Oh. Are you not sharing? Can you see your banana? Thank you.
Your dog has more situational awareness than you right now. The dog has more situational awareness.
Yeah. Let her jump, let her jump. Oh, let her jump, let her jump, stop, let her jump.
Oh my! She's like, come on, let's run.
She almost got her.
He's not, she's not clucking or anything.
Look at her peeking.
that feel good, Liza?
Давай, піднімай, да, дякую. Дякую.
Yes, you have to wait a second. Yeah, I know. You're so excited.
Get it. Get it, puppy, get it. Get it, puppy, get it.
Get the beer. Get daddy beer. Good girl. Take it to daddy. Come on. Wait.
Come here, honey. Give me the beer.
Що, малий?
No! No!
Stella, we got you something for Christmas. Do you love it?
Do you love me?
I love you.
Oh, thank you.
I love you.
Okay.
Deuce, can you get out the kitchen, please? Get your ass out the goddamn...
Para que la doctora me dijo que ya si quería podía empezar a hacer.
A su espacio.
No, me dijo una faja de
A su rincón.
Son estas.
Are you gonna attack me?
Go to mom. Go to mom. Go doesn't mean...
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's 20% off other retailers' prices.
Hands up!
Sweetie.
She wants to get it. What is this? What? Hands up. This way. Woo!
Look at all of these you can get now, Bubba.
Oh my goodness, he's so cute! No! Snitch. 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 Snitch, come. Snitch, you happy? Do you look pretty?
Here goes. Get him.
Todos aquí juntos con su papá. Y mi cuarto no se puede parar.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Najgłos.
What do you want?
Oh, hello. Oh God, damn.
What you doing, Mama?
Not friendly! Not friendly! She's a service dog. Walk around.
Why?
Move.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
She's trained to protect.
Show 'em all. Feast your eyes on this.
His fat ass already popped the button.
Are you comfortable, Mabel?
I'm just kind of. What is happening?
Sit. Avada Kedavra. Good boy.
Did you get the frisbee stuck on your head? Did you keep...
Oops.
Waterfall to 1,747,291 tenths.
Do not get a golden retriever unless you want this to be your Saturday night.
¿Qué pasa? ¿Querés sopa? Sí, hola.
You love Thor. He loves you too.
Look at this fool. You don't even care. Thanks. You got a kid on your back.
I'm sorry, Winnie.